The Smart Brake Support System alerts you of a possible collision using an indicator light and warning sound in the instrument cluster. This system operates when you are travelling at about 10 miles per hour or faster, and the system's radar sensor determines that your vehicle may hit a vehicle or obstruction ahead of you. If the system determines that a collision is unavoidable, it firmly applies the brakes to reduce potential damage and helps your brakes operate faster. The system uses a radar sensor mounted on the inside of the radiator grille. When the system is operating, this warning light flashes. If there is the possibility of a collision with a vehicle or obstruction ahead, a beep sounds continuously and a warning is indicated in the display. Please be aware that the Smart Brake Support System is designed to help you, but is not a substitute for proper driving. Please note that this system may not detect cycles, motorbikes or pedestrians. For more details, please refer to your owner's manual.